Well, hi, this is Chase Swift, and I actually posted a couple of questions to my friends that live in the UK. And you may have done a search for when is the best time to visit London. Well, I asked both Derek and Roger, a few friends of mine, and Derek responded, and let me just zoom in on this and give you his thoughts on that because he does live in England. And he said the best time to see all these sites is the summer, of course. So that's really probably the best time, and specifically probably late July through September, because some things are closed in the winter months and all that. So then, if you're interested in Buckingham Palace, that happens from daily from April through July and things like that. So also the Queen's birthday is in the summer, which is great, which is in June, which is good. So there's some good information there. Then he added a little bit more about Paris, and I'll cover that in another video. But those are probably some really good tips if you're looking to know when is the best time to visit London. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to comment, I'd appreciate that. And if you want to subscribe, I appreciate that as well. And you'll see more future videos. Have a great day. Bye for now.